following. I want to get some reaction right now from Ed Pierson. He's the executive director of the Foundation for Aviation Safety and a Boeing whistleblower. And Ed, thanks so much for joining us. We've spoken in the past. First of all, what's your reaction to this breaking news that federal prosecutors have now recommended bringing criminal charges against Boeing?
Well, thanks for having me, Wolf. And I guess my first reaction is that's encouraging, very encouraging news. But quite honestly, I'm reluctant to get my hopes up right now.
Why is that?
Well, it's a recommendation, right? So the Attorney General, Merrick Garland, I guess, will have the final say. I just hope that he really considers what's best for the public. You know, it's not just that these families deserve justice, but, you know, if you don't hold Boeing accountable, they're going to continue to do their criminal behavior, and that's not good for aviation safety.
If the Attorney General and the Justice Department if they do pursue this, what kind of impact could that have on Boeing if it's formally criminally charged and ultimately convicted?
That's a great question. I think some people will automatically say, oh, well, Boeing will not be able to get contracts because they're a felon. I think Congress would probably run out and do whatever they have to do to pass an exemption to allow that. And I don't really understand why they can't pursue prosecution anyhow, because we're really talking about individuals that made, you know, conscious decisions. Those are the ones that need to be held accountable. And, you know, I think that can be done without really harming the company. It's going to help the company. I mean, something that's way more dangerous than a trial is another disaster, a preventable disaster.
So what do you think? What could this mean for the families of people who died on those Boeing planes?
Wolf, it would mean everything to those individuals. I mean, those individuals have been, you know, forever harmed, and they are the ones out there fighting the hardest to get justice and accountability because they want the truth. And, you know, it would mean everything to them. We talk to them every day, and it just breaks their heart that they keep fighting. Every other month, there's a new revelation of a criminal, something that was done that should never have happened. I think, you know, it would just be an amazing vindication to them. And it really needs to happen. I mean, to sign a deferred prosecution agreement and wave a magic wand and let all these people off the hook, when the the FBI and DOJ, they need to do a proper investigation. And when they do that, they're going to see that there was several people, and I'm not just talking about those two pilots who were charged earlier. Several people did things knowingly, risking the lives of other people.
Boeing whistleblower Ed Pierson, thanks very much for your analysis. Appreciate it very much.